Got a Redmi full of music and just switched to iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable ways to transfer your songs hassle-free. Part 1. Transfer music from Redmi to iPhone using iTunes. Connect Redmi to PC. Copy songs from Music folder. Open iTunes file library, add to import. Connect iPhone. Tap trust. In iTunes. Select device music, sync music, apply. Part 2. Transfer songs from Redmi to iPhone with phone transfer. If you want to move music from your Redmi phone to an iPhone, you no longer need to depend on iTunes. Phone transfer makes the process much simpler and faster. Step 1. Once the program is installed, connect both your Redmi phone and iPhone to your computer using USB cables. Open the software, and it should automatically recognize both devices. Step 2. Make sure your Redmi phone is set as the source device on the main screen. If it's not, just click the drop-down menu and switch it to the correct phone. Step 3. Select Music, then click Export to Device, and choose your iPhone as the target. Wait for the transfer to finish, and don't disconnect either phone until it's done. Part 3. Copy music from Redmi to iPhone via Google Drive. On Redmi, open Google Drive, sign in, tap plus to upload music. On iPhone, open Google Drive with same account, download songs and enjoy. Part 4. Move music from Redmi to iPhone via Google Play Music. On iPhone, install Google Play Music. Link same Google account on Redmi. Open app on iPhone, sign in, and play your songs. Part 5. Transfer songs from Redmi to iPhone with SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both phones. Connect to same Wi-Fi. On Android, open SHAREit Send Music. Pick songs. On iPhone, open SHAREit Receive. Select iPhone. On Android to transfer.